We're here in the windmills of Guimaras, no? You know, laki. Not rotating tong isa, no? But ito yung the other side of the island. We just stop here. Marami siyang windmills actually. The other location, doon na side, no? There are windmills also. Makita nyo, yun na. Maganda to na source of energy natin kasi we're within the typhoon area. Lakas yung hangin. This area, we have 3 windmills, no? Pumasok lang kami sa highway. This is the nearest that we can get. The brand is, no, yung Gamesa. Gamesa. Ano to? This is a brand. Yan, so lapitan natin. Gamesa Trans-Asia. Dito sila. We're taking group pictures. Then ang background is very green, no? Palay area. You have also a residential zone here. Dito makapik. The other side, no, far side, umiikot yung guard ata, umiikot. Laki. See? This is equivalent siguro mga 30 stories na building. Tignan mo yung tao sa baba. Maliit masyado. It's the guard. Tapos relative to the structure. Yan. Ayan. Tabi tayo dito. Final. We should have thousands of these, no, sa buong Pilipinas for us to be energy